Wow, this restaurant has been closed for years. Let's all have a look inside.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and take a look inside this old restaurant. Hey! I have an idea! Since nobody owns this restaurant, why don't we open up the burger restaurant?
Great idea, Brobo.
Yeah, great idea. I will totally agree with Trex and Mumu.
Me too.
Alright, now that we're all set, let's wait for our first customer. Hello, Eloise Wilson. Welcome to our hamburger restaurant. How can we help you today?
I would like 10 hamburgers to go, please.
Okay, here you go.
Thanks. Oh boy, I am so hungry. Let's eat. Oh no, I am fat. Wait a minute. Brobo, Trex, Mumu, Pep, and Dog are the ones who were behind this. That's it. I'm going to get them for this. Brobo, Trex, Mumu, Pep, and Dog, I can't believe you 5 made me fat. Those hamburgers you gave me just made me fat. That's it. I will now call your parents.
No 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 no
no. I'm sorry, folks. This is what happens when you get me fat.
Hello, Eloise.
Hello, Robbie and Angela. I am calling you because your kids, Brobo, Trex, Mumu, Pep, and Dog opened up the restaurant and got me fat by giving me 10 hamburgers. Can you please ground them for this?
What? Oh my God. Thanks for telling me that, Eloise. We are on our way, so we will ground them. Goodbye.
Goodbye. All right. They are now on their way right now.
Oh my God, Brobo, Trex, Mumu, Pep, and Dog. How dare you all open up a restaurant and made Eloise Wilson fat?
That's it. Let's go home right now, and you all are receiving a huge consequence once we get back.
Wow,
what privy robot characters they are.